describe how the product works. What does it look like? How does it operate on the vehicle?
Absolutely. So our product, Truckwings, is a intelligent tractor-mounted active aerodynamic device. So this means our system bolts up to the back of a tractor's cab, or in alternative fuel systems, onto the CNG fuel system itself. And what our system does is automatically opens two side panels and a top panel assembly, kind of folds out like an origami shape. And at highway speeds, that system will deploy above 52 miles an hour and automatically close that gap. And it's really critical from an aerodynamic standpoint to close both the sides and the top. So at this point, we've streamlined the tractor to trailer transition. We can get within about 4 inches of the trailer itself. So we're extending that back of cab by 48 inches to the trailing edge of the truck wings. And that's nearly double even the longest side extenders in the market today. So when we fully close out that system at all speeds above 52 miles an hour, we'll talk a little bit more about day cabs and sleepers and the effects on each, but on average about 3 to 5% fuel savings from 7 to 8% drag reduction. And that's based on just normal on-road operation.